Hi everyone, today we're going to do a quick overview of quizzes. It offers kids fun, engaging quizzes to test their knowledge, practice, and even challenge friends. You can ask your students to type in quizzes.com. It'll bring them to this homepage. They can either sign up, log in if they have an account, or enter a code to join a classroom or challenge friends. For today's purposes, we're going to click Get Started. They can use their school email. I'm going to use my Google. That's what I have set up. And then once they get signed in, it will ask for their grade, I believe what school. This is their homepage. They can join a classroom or an activity. They can create their own quiz, search for quizzes. It saves their recent activity, daily streak. They can change their setting. If they can change their grade. For today's purposes, I have mine set to 4th grade. One thing I love about this website is that it offers so many quizzes, and it goes from K through university level students. So I think that's amazing. For today's activity, I'm just going to do a simple addition quiz just so we can see how it works. It says reattempt. I already tried just to make sure everything was good. You can use flashcards, challenge friends. It offers you, if you don't want the memes in between, if you don't want a timer, or you want them to even read the question out loud. So I think it's great that it offers so many resources. So you can just hit reattempt or play, and then it's going to start. It offers simple questions like these. Each question you get right, you get points, and you can move up the leaderboard. You also have a streak. What I love about this website, that it does teach kids how to play and challenge their classmates. I think it's in line with the standards that we've talked about on internet safety. And then it shows you what place you're in. It's fun, the little memes in between. For this purpose, I'm going to get it wrong. You do go down if you get it wrong, yes. And then if you don't want to see these memes, you can actually just skip through them. As you get older, maybe you don't want them. You can change your settings. And then you can pause your quiz and you can see how you're doing. You can save and exit. I want to save and exit. And you can see your activity. You can see what you've completed and what you've created. Students and teachers can create quizzes. I think it's fun that students had the opportunity to create a quiz, because I think when you hear the word quiz, you automatically think of maybe not the funnest or a quiz. But if students get to create their own and maybe challenge their classmates, I think it's a great opportunity for them. You can go home, search any quiz you like. Overall, I think this website's great, fun, engaging for all ages and all grade levels. So I encourage you to check it out. Thank you.